Here I have CUBOT X18, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to just remove the back cover from your device. You can catch it here. Then remove it like this. And then you have to put your SIM card in here and your SD card here. Now let's restart this device. And as you can see, it immediately requires the pin code to my SIM card, which is the proof the SIM card is read. Let's enter it. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.